The Syrian Democratic Forces, in cooperation with the international coalition forces, launched a large-scale security campaign in the Deir ez-Zor countryside, which saved 15 people and is still ongoing. The campaign aimed to pursue the remnants of the defunct Syrian regime and its supporters, and also eliminate the cells of the terrorist organization ISIS, which were and still are trying to tamper with the security and stability of the region by inciting riots and sedition and killing innocent people. Regarding the arrest of 79 individuals involved in undermining security and stability in Deir ez-Zor, large quantities of weapons and ammunition were seized from them, which include 8 pistols, 55 Kalashnikov rifles, and 7,500 bullets. Additionally, there were 161 magazines, 4 Pixie rifles, 3,064 bullets, 6 Barno rifles, 1 Salah rifle, 11 hunting rifles, and a total of 3,464 bullets. 161 magazines, 4 Pixie rifles, 3,064 bullets, 6 Barno rifles, plus 1 Salah rifle, and 11 hunting rifles, and 3,464 bullets, 6 rifles, Barno, plus 11 shotgun, hunting shotgun. Fell 8 hand grenades, 21 military quivers, 3 locally made guided bombs, 2 launcher charges, 1 laptop, 2 surveillance cameras, a DVR device. This campaign came in response to the call of our people in the region, including various different types of equipment and several additional items, who confirmed their rejection of all forms of violence and terrorism and their adherence to civil peace, brotherhood, and coexistence. We assure our great people that these efforts come within our fixed vision to build a safe and stable society based on the foundations of justice and tolerance. We, in the internal security forces, renew our pledge to continue the path that our martyrs have drawn with their pure blood and sacrifices, and we pledge to our people that we will spare no effort in protecting our national gains and ensuring an environment of security and peace for all, and that any threat to peace and security in all our regions, our response will be ready and decisive. Our great people, your support and trust is our true support in facing all challenges. So let us move forward together on the path of freedom and dignity, carrying the banner of peace and brotherhood, believing that our unity is the invincible strength against anyone who tries to tamper with our land and security. General Command of the Internal Security Forces for the Autonomous Administration of North and East Syria, February 4th,